Good afternoon, student. Welcome to TMC Virtual Classroom. Now, in the previous class, I have started with a problem set 6. In the problem set 6, we have started with the question number 5. In the question number 5, we have completed question number 8. Till question number 8, we have completed. Still, I have to do two more questions in the fifth question. That is, prove that question. So first, I will complete the two questions. That is question number 9 and question number 10. Both are very IMP. So after the completion of question number 9 and 10, then I will start with the question number 2, 3, and 4. So after this, we will left with question number 1, which is a multiple choice question. We'll discuss the multiple choice question, and after that we will finish with our topic trigonometry. So let's begin with the question number 9. Okay, now here in the question number 9, question number 5th, question number 9. Let us see the question number 9. Question number 9 is tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1, that is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. Now let us check the question once again. Now the question is tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1, that is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. This is the question, which is very IMP. Okay, now these are the questions. It is going to be asked for 3 marks or 4 marks. Let's begin with the question. So first I will start with the left hand side of the question, that is tan cube theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus 1. Now here this is our left hand side. We'll begin from our left hand side. To start with, to prove this question, first we'll see this part. Now see, this is what tan cube theta minus 1. Now here I can take cube of 1. If I'm taking cube of 1, now this will become something like a cube minus b cube. What is a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube is nothing but one of the identity, that is a minus b, second bracket, a square plus. Whenever we are having minus here, we have to put plus here. So here then a into b plus the b square. This is the formula for this a cube minus b cube. Similarly, here this tan cube will behave like a and one cube will behave like b. So what about the formula here? This is going to be tan theta minus 1, a minus b, tan theta minus 1, second bracket, tan square theta. Here it was a square with the first term square. The first term is what? Tan theta. The tan theta square plus first term into second term, that is tan theta into 1. Tan theta into 1 means what? Tan theta only. So no need to write down 1 plus. So 1 the whole square. 1 square is 1. Here this is the formula for this. So here in the next step, what I am going to do here, now see, first I will, just for the sake of convenience, here I will write down this is, I will write down like this, tan theta the whole square minus 1 cube upon tan theta minus 1. So after writing this, for this we will write down this formula. So let us write down the formula. So here in the next step, I will write down the formula. Tan theta minus 1, second bracket, tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1 whole upon this one, tan theta minus 1. Okay, now see, this and this is numerator, this is denominator, both are same, so both will get cancelled. So here I am going to cancel this one, both will get cancelled. So we will left with this, that is tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Now in the next step, I will take these two together. Tan square theta plus 1 plus tan theta. Now pay attention. This is one of the identity. I have already told three identities, out of which this is one of the identity. Tan square theta plus 1 is nothing but sec square theta. Okay, instead of this one, I am going to write down sec square theta plus tan theta. Now student, see this one and this. Both are same. Here this was our left hand side. From left hand side I have started and finally I got our right hand side. Here this is what RHS. And finally here we write down hence proved. Our question is completed. Now this question is is having only 4 or 5 steps, but this is one of the IMP question will ask for 3 marks. So please note down or take the screenshot. We'll start with the next question. Now the next question is question number 10, which is also very IMP. The question number 10 is sin theta minus cos theta plus 1. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Check the question. Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, that is equal to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Now the question is correct. So let's start with this question. This is one of the most IMP question. This is 100% going to be asked for 4 marks. Okay. Now here this question is, now see the left hand side. Left hand side is this. So let me write down left hand side first. LHS, that is equal to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1, that is upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now here let us see the question. We are given with the sin, cos, and here we supposed to need 1 as a numerator and sec theta minus tan theta as a denominator. It means what? We need the ratio in terms of sec and tan. In the initial question, I have told whatever we are having, we have to convert into the sine and cos. But here we are already having sine cos. I need the ratio in terms of sec and tan. So let us try to convert this one in terms of sec and tan. How we can do it? Okay. For this, what we will do, we'll try to convert them in terms of sec and cos. Now see, what I'm going to do here, I'm writing one statement: divide numerator and denominator, and for numerator divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. If I am dividing this one by cos, now see, sin theta divided by cos theta. So what happens? This will become tan theta. Cos theta upon cos theta will give us 1, and 1, this 1 upon cos theta will give us sec theta. Now here we are getting tan theta, here we are getting sec theta, and we want sec theta and tan theta in our right hand side. So let us see. So what I have written here? I have written divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. So let us start. They're equal to sin theta divided by cos theta minus cos theta divided by cos theta plus 1 divided by cos theta. The whole upon. Same thing we will do it here. I can do it this one directly, but just for your convenience, I'm going to write down all the steps clearly. Here sin theta, 1 second, sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. So after writing this, what happened here? This is going to be tan theta minus this is going to be 1 plus this is going to be what? Sec theta. The whole upon. Once again, this is tan theta plus this is 1 and this is what? Minus sec theta. Now student, now see in the denominator what I need sec and tan. Here I got the sec and tan. But here I don't want this one. So what I am going to do? I will replace this one with one of the identity. Now as we all know, since tan square theta plus 1 is equal to what? Sec square theta. So what I am going to do? I will transfer this one to this side. So what happened here? 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now sec square theta minus tan square theta is nothing but 1. So instead of sec square theta instead of 1, what I am going to put? I am going to write down this one. I am going to write down sec square theta minus tan square theta. तो ये मैं लिखूंगा and finally I'll get one of the most important step in my solution. Now pay attention here. Just see this one. Tan theta plus I am going to write down sec theta minus tan theta upon, now see this one. पहले मैं इन दोनों को साथ में लिखता हूं. Tan theta minus sec theta and plus 1. Here we have plus. Instead of 1, what I am going to write down? I am going to write down sec square theta minus tan square theta. Instead of 1, now see, पहले मैंने इसको लिखा, then I have written this one. Here plus 1. So here I have taken plus. Instead of 1, what I have written? Sec square theta minus tan square theta, because here I need sec minus tan. So sec minus tan जैसा कुछ तो यहाँ पे आ गया. Now see, for this we will write down formula. This is nothing but the simple formula a square minus b square. A square minus b square can be written as a plus b and a minus b. Okay, according to this formula, I will write down this one into sec theta plus tan theta, then sec theta minus tan theta. So let us see the next step. In the next step, what I will do, numerator as it is, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. This is our numerator. And the denominator, first one is what? Tan theta minus sec theta plus this one as it is. After this, we are going to write the formula for this. This is going to be sec theta plus tan theta, and here sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, after the completion of this, now see, here let me write down this one in the bracket. Now here we are having two terms. This is one term, this is another term. In both the terms, I have to take something over. Here we have tan theta minus sec theta, and here we are having sec theta minus tan theta. Now I can change this one in terms of sec theta minus tan theta. How? Just pay attention. Here I am explaining you. Tan theta minus sec theta we have. Is it? But if I take minus common, so what happen here? This negative will become positive and this positive will become negative. So here sec theta is a negative, so this will become positive sec theta, and this is going to be tan theta with a negative sign. Minus common लेने पे फिर क्या होगा? इनके साइन चेंज होते हैं. मैंने पॉजिटिव वाले को पहले लिखा, नेगेटिव वाले को बाद में लिखा. Now here I can, instead of this, I can write down this. So what I am going to write down in the next step? Pay attention here. In the next step, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon, now see, instead of this I'm going to write down this minus sec theta minus tan theta plus second bracket is sec theta plus tan theta, then we will write down this one sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, after writing this, so this is okay. Now what I will do, I will take common of sec theta minus tan theta, and here also we have sec theta minus tan theta, so I can take sec theta minus tan theta common. So let us take the common. So this one numerator is as it is, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon, here I am going to take this 2 common. So once I will take common, sec theta minus tan theta. Here I have taken this one as common. So what I will left with? I will left with here. I have taken this one common. It means here we are having 1. So 1 minus 1. This is going to minus 1. I will left here. Plus this part I will left. Sec theta plus what? Tan theta. Now student, pay attention. Actually this and this both are same. But just for the sake of convenience, I will write down one more step for you. Here this numerator is tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon. This one is sec theta minus tan theta. Second bracket. Now see this one. What I have written is sec theta plus tan, so tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Tan theta with positive sign, sec theta with positive sign, and 1 is with negative sign. तो इसको मैं कैसे लिखूंगा? Here I will write down पहले tan theta plus sec theta, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Now what happened here? Now see, this and this both are same, so they will get cancelled because numerator and denominator whenever they are having, they are same, they will get cancelled. So what I will left with? I will left with finally here 1 upon, this is 1, 1 za, so we will have 1 here. So 1 upon what? Sec theta minus what? Tan theta, and this is our, here we can, this is our right hand side, and here this is the proof, this proof is completed. This question will ask for 4 marks. This is one of the most happy question. So let us just go through with the question. What about the most important step here? This is the most important step here. What I have done, I have divided numerator and denominator by cos theta. I have divided numerator and denominator by cos theta. So what happened? This is going to be tan theta. Cancel. We will get 1 here. This is sec theta. Same thing we will write down here. And finally, whatever the step we have got, here we have to replace this one. Replace this one with the identity. Here we have to write down reason. That is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. I don't have space, that's why I have not written, but you have to write down the identity. And after that, we have taken a minus b, the whole square, sorry, a square minus b square का formula use किया. I got this step, and then I have taken common here. So many things are related with this question. I have taken common here. After taking common, after taking minus common, this will become like this. So we'll take this common and find, after taking common, we'll get our answer. Now here students, we have finished with the proof that question. Now we have left with 3 more question and one that is a multiple choice question. So let's begin with the question number 2, 3 and 4. Now see, question number 2 and 3 both are the related question. Question number 2 and 4 both are the related question. So what I am going to do, I'll leave question number 2 for you to do as yourself. I will tell you the basic thing about the question number 2, but I am going to do the question number 3 and question number 4. So let us start with the question number 3. See, the question number 3 is, if tan theta is equal to 2, then find the values of other trigonometric ratio. Here the other trigonometric ratio means what? We are given with only one trigonometric ratio, that is the tan, and we are supposed to find out sine, cos, cot, sec and cosec. Remaining 5 ratios we are supposed to find out. So let's start with the question number 3 and the question number 4. First I will complete the question number 3. Just students, question number 3 and 4 we have already done in the exercise 6.1, which are related to the 6.1. So let's start with the question number 3. Question number 3 is, we are given with tan theta is equal to 2. We are given with tan theta. This is given. What we are supposed to find out? To find. What we are supposed to find out? Other trigonometric ratios. Question. Other trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos, cot, sec and cosec. Let's begin with the question. We are given with tan theta. Now see, tan is given and tan is related to one of the most IMP identity, that is, since we have what? 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. 1 plus tan का value is given 2. 2 square is equal to sec square theta. So what happened here? 1 plus 2 का square is 4. That is equal to what? Sec square theta. This is going to be 5 is equal to sec square theta. We'll take 2 this side, so I will form root. So here sec theta is equal to root 5. Here I got the value of what? Sec theta. Sec is opposite of what? Cos. So I got sec. So on the basis of sec, I can find out cos. So since cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, that is equal to 1 upon sec theta का value is what? Root 5. So cos theta, therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. Here I got cos theta. Now I got 3 ratio. Tan we have already, then we have got sec and cos. Now I will try to find out cot, because tan is given. Tan ka opposite is what? Cot. So I can find out cot also. Since cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Therefore cot theta is 1 upon 2. Tan ka value is 2. So cot ka value is 1 upon 2. Now on the basis of one more formula, since tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon what? Cos theta. We have tan ka value, we have cos ka value. Now see, tan ka value is 2 and cos ka value is 1 upon root 5. We can find out sin ka value. Now see here, tan ka value is 2. Sin ka value is not given. Cos ka value is 1 upon root 5. 1 upon root 5 will get cross multiplied with this. So what happened here? 2 into 1 upon root 5, that is equal to what? Sin theta. So here this 2 will get multiplied with 1 only, not with this, because they have the cancellation relation, division relation. So they will get cancelled. But here the cancellation is not possible. That's why 2 will get multiplied with 1. So what happened here? 2 ones are 2 upon root 5. That is equal to what? Sin theta. Here sin theta का value is 2 upon root 5. So I got almost 4 ratios. I have left with one more ratio, that is sec theta, cosec theta. Cosec theta is the opposite of sin theta. What is sin theta? 2 upon root 5. The cosec theta will be the just converse of this. So here this root 5 will become as a numerator and this will become as a denominator. So let us see here. The next step is cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta is what? 2 upon root 5. So here cosec theta is nothing 1 upon root 5. जब मैं ऊपर शिफ्ट कर रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा root 5 upon 2. This is going to be the our final answer for the cosec theta. Now here I have completed the question number 3 on the basis of one of the identity. मैंने सिर्फ एक ही identity use किया. इस question हम लोग cos अगर अपने को find out हुआ हम लोग sin find out कर सकते थे with the help of the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. उसके basis पे भी हम लोग sin find out कर सकते थे. Now here we are having cot हम लोग ने find out किया. Cot के basis पे हम लोग cosec find out कर सकते थे with the help of the identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. तो वैसे भी हम लोग find out कर सकते थे. Here we have completed the question number 3. Now let's start with the question number 4. Now question number 4 is sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. Find the values of other trigonometric ratio. So the student take the screenshot this. Okay, now here the question number 4 is if sec theta is equal to 12 upon 13 upon 12. Question number 4. Once again we have to find out all trigonometric ratio. Once again we have to find out all trigonometric ratio. Now let's see. Let us start with the solution. In the solution we are given with the sec theta and we are supposed to find the remaining trigonometric ratio. Sec theta से related आइडेंटिटी कौन सा है अभी हम लोग जो tan का किया था 1 plus tan square theta is the related to this one only. What I am writing here we have what 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what sec square theta. Therefore 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta is how much 13 upon 12 the whole square. Yes. So next step is 1 plus tan square theta. 13 square is 169. 12 square is 144. We must know the square up to 30 so that it will become easy. Otherwise you have to do the rough calculation. That may take times. Okay, that's why you have to add the square up to 30. Okay, now then the next step what I will do. Now here this is the number, this one is also a number, both are the like terms, so I will take this one to this side. So what happened here, in the next step, tan square theta is equal to 169 upon 144 minus 1. Now this will get cross multiplied with this, so what happened here, tan square theta is equal to 169 minus 144 upon 144. So what happened here? Tan square theta is equal to, now see, 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0 upon 140. So this tan square, square will go this side and will form square root. So what happened here? Tan theta is equal to square root of 25 upon 144. The last step is here. I'm writing just the last step of this. That is 25 is a square of 5, so this will become 5, and 144 is a square of 12. So your tan ka value is 5 upon 12. After getting tan, what I will do? I will take the converse of this. Tan का converse, tan का उल्टा क्या होता है? Tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta. Tan theta का वैल्यू आई गॉट, सॉरी मैं इसको चेंज करूँ, पहले cot theta लिखते हैं. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta. Cot theta is equal to 1 upon tan. Tan का value is how much? Tan का value I got here 5 upon 12. So here instead of tan theta I will write down 5 upon 12. 5 upon 12. Once I will take this one as a here in the numerator, it will become reciprocal. So what happened here? Cot theta is equal to 12 upon 5. Here I got the value of cot theta. Now sec theta is already given. On the basis of sec theta, I can find out cos theta. So since cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta, therefore cos theta is equal to 1 upon 13 upon 12. I'll take this one as a numerator. This will become reciprocal. So what happened here? Cos theta is equal to 12 upon 13. Here I got the answer for cos. Here I have got tan ka value, then cot ka value, cos, and then we have we got three values: tan, cot, and cos, and we have already set 4 values. Still we have left with the 2 more values. That is sine and sine ka opposite, that is cosec. Okay, now see here. First I will try to find out the sine. Since tan theta is equal to what? Sin theta upon cos theta. We have tan ka value. Tan ka value is here 5 upon 12, and we have cot ka value. Cot ka value is 12 upon 13. So what I will put the values. Okay, let us put. So tan theta is 5 upon 12. That is equal to sin theta upon cos ka value is 12 upon 13. Okay, after putting the value, we will do the cross multiplication of this. So what happened here? 5 upon, just a minute, 5 upon 12 into this here, 12 upon 13, that is equal to what? Sin theta. So here 12 and 12 will get cancelled. So we will left with 5 upon 13. 5 upon 13, that is equal to what? Sin theta. So here I got the value of sin theta. I got the value of sin theta. Now sin theta ka opposite of converse is what? Cosec theta. Here cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Therefore cosec theta is equal to 1 upon, this is the value of sin theta, 5 upon 13. I'll take the 5 upon 13 as a numerator. So what happened here? Cosec theta, this will become reciprocal. Reciprocal means what? This will go up and this will become down. So what happened here? 13 upon 5. This is the answer for cosec theta. Now here we have completed the question number 4 in the problem set. Now I have told you have to do the question number 2 as a homework, because question number 2 and question number 4 both are almost related question. That's why question number 2 is a homework for you. Now here we have left with the last question of this chapter, that is choose the correct alternative answer of the following question. We'll discuss this one and finally we'll declare that we have finished with the chapter for this academic year. Okay. So please take the screenshot or copy this question. So, okay, let's start with the question number 1. Okay, student. Now in the multiple choice question. Now remember one thing, in board exam, multiple choice question, MCQ questions are always going to be asked from textbook only. Whatever the question is given in the textbook, will ask from there only. Here in the chapter 6, we have 4 multiple choice question. Okay. So here the fourth question is cancelled because this is related to the reduction part. That's why we are not supposed to do the question number 4. We have to do only 3 questions, question number 1, 2 and 3. So let us see the question number 1. Question number 1 is sin theta into cosec theta is equal to question mark. Okay. Question number 1. This is MCQ type question. Sin theta cosec theta is equal to question mark. And we are having 4 options. Option A is what? Option A is 1. Option B is 0. Option C is what? 1 upon 2. And option D. Option D is root 2. In board exam, we will given with this 4 as something like KBC, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति. As like this, we are having 4 options. We have to find out the right answer. So what we are supposed to do in the board exam? How we are going to? You have to write down answer 1. Answer. The question number 1 का हम लोग answer है. What is the correct answer? Now see, first we will see the solution of this one. Sin theta dot. Yeah, we don't have any dot or multiplication. It means that this is multiplication sign. So multiply it with what? Cosec theta. That is equal to. Now see, sin theta into cosec theta का opposite what? Sin theta होता है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे sin theta लिखूँ, so what happen here? Will get cancelled. One za, and finally this is going to be 1. Here the correct answer is A. You have to write down directly क्या? A. You have to only write down this one, and that is your perfect answer. Here for this question, either you do like this or you can also do like this. You can change this one. This is 1 upon cosec theta into what? Cosec theta. Here both will get cancelled and finally we will get 1. So here like this, we can find out the answer for the first question. Let us see the second question. Now the second question is cosec 45 is equal to question mark. Now for this we require tables. Cosec 45 degree is equal to question mark. So in the table, in the first lecture, I have given the table sin theta and cos theta. इन दोनों का अगर वैल्यू अपने को बाय हेट हो 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and finally here 60 degree and 90 degree. मैंने already how to frame this table that I have told. Okay. So what happened? Sin 0 is always 0. Sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. And this is root 3 upon 2. And this is 1. ये सब मैंने पहले भी बताया था. ये 1 इधर आ जाएगा. And this will come here. Root 3 upon 2. And this is 1 upon root 2 as it is. And this is 1 upon 2. And this is 0. Now see, ये दो पता होगा तो हम लोग easily ये सब find out कर सकते. Okay. So here cos 45, sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Cos 40, cosec 45 is just converse of this. So what happen? Converse of this means ये ऊपर जाएगा नीचे आएगा. It means this is what root 2, and you can find out the answer in the table, that is root 2. Here the B answer is correct. So for the third one, 1 plus tan square theta. This is the one of the identity, and for this the answer is C. And we have completed the chapter number 6, that is trigonometry, with all the question in the test book for this academic year. Now student, thank you for this chapter. Now in the next class I'm going to start with the science chapter number 6. Okay, have a good day. Thank you very much.